Want your paintings to look more professional? Here are 7 secrets experienced artists use every day. Start with a plan. A quick sketch and value study can prevent major mistakes later. Focus on light and dark values before worrying about color. Strong values make paintings look more realistic. Keep one consistent light source throughout your painting to create believable shadows and highlights. Build your painting in layers instead of trying to finish everything at once. Layers add depth and richness. Step back every few minutes. Viewing your artwork from a distance helps you notice composition and proportion issues. Know when to stop. Overworking a painting can reduce freshness and detail. Practice intentionally. Instead of painting the same thing repeatedly, focus on improving one skill at a time. Professional artists aren't defined by hidden tricks. They're defined by consistent habits and practice. Which of these secrets surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.